It's 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 time for another review. Hello. I'm that TV girl, and I'm back with another review of another Amazon stand-up special. This time I watched Kanan Gill's Keep It Real. Before I get into it, full disclosure, I've only seen Kanan Gill in pretentious reviews. That one skit, which was, I think, all the comedians got together for a promo for Comedy Hunt on YouTube. Oh, wait. I've also seen him in that NGO video where all the comedians go into school and perform for the kids. So, again, low expectations while going into the stand up special. And when you put like a tagline that says keep it real, but you expect it to be and like the super real shit that happens to people. It's like when I was pregnant and the day of my delivery, people told me, oh, you know what, it's nothing at all, it'll just happen, तुमको कुछ worry करना ही पड़ेगा, थोड़ा pain होता है but it's not much. Wrong, completely wrong. Keep it real, people. It was freaking horrible. The stories about his parents and how we all face the same situation with parents, that they don't know anything about technology and explaining an iPad to them is too difficult. Then fights with your girlfriend, relationships, and how we tried to do drugs when we were teenagers. I actually saw the stand-up special only till there. I couldn't go any past that because I actually fell asleep. Yeah, that's not a good sign for a stand-up special. So what happened with Biswa's Mast Aadmi was that the minute I started watching it, I couldn't stop. Like I had to finish the hour. What happened with this one is that I watched it over a period of 3 days and I still didn't finish the last 15 minutes. So the thing that works for the show, it's that it's shot very well. It's shot in Opera House, so it looks nice. And Kanan is a very charming person. So his physicality when he delivers his comedy is that he's very suave and smooth and words come out so fluently from his mouth and that he can do no wrong. He's very suave in his way of delivering his comedy and he's hot. Let's face it, he is a nice looking person. I think that is the only reason why I lasted through like 40 minutes of the set and then just I couldn't do it anymore. So, like for example, his experience of dealing with his parents about technology is that they have an iPad and then they have to take a screenshot on an iPad and then there are buttons on the iPad and he's explaining that to parents. Yeah, you'll relate to it because we all face these same problems. But you know, TVF does this series of videos where tech conversations with my dad. Now that is way more funnier than what Kanan did in his special. But again, you will probably want to listen to him because he's just so when he explains it. He's quite swoony. The only part that I did like was in the middle where he talks about the fact that relationships are like a giant game of Jenga where it starts with logic and reasoning and then it somehow ends with fuck you. That is freaking true. Every single word of it. But otherwise, none of the jokes actually stay with you. So the way I know a show works for me, let it be a stand-up special or any other show for that matter, is when I go and stalk the actor like freaking crazy on social media. I'll see his Instagram, I'll see his Twitter, I'll follow. Second, I'll probably go to YouTube, funny moments from so-and-so show. And you know, watch all the funny moments in one concise video again and again. Or third, realize that you're actually smiling and laughing to yourself when a particular joke from that stand-up special plays in your head. I don't feel like doing any of that from this one. So yeah, I know the special wanted to keep it real, so I'm going to keep it real with this review. No man, it didn't work at all. I definitely want to go see Biswa live because I love Mast Aadmi, but I'm not going to go watch Kanan Gill live, man. So that was my tiny review of Kanan Gill's stand-up special on Amazon, which is called Keep It Real. If you want more videos like these, then you know what you gotta do. Subscribe to the channel. I make new videos every Tuesday and Friday. But you can always get in touch with me on thebossgirl@gmail.com. Till then, if you like this video, share this video and comment on this video. I would like it very much. You can also follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, on Snapchat. My ID is The Boss Girl. Till next time, adios amigos and keep watching that TV.